We have had the most ridiculous weather in my corner of northeastern Pennsylvania, but the garden is really loving it. It's looking so lush and full of flowers. So let's take a walk together and see what's blooming now. I'm really glad that you're with me. Thank you for coming along. Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be. But I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. All of this warm weather has made things bloom fast, but they're also finishing their flowering season faster, so I need to record them. This is a special red Lysimachia that I just bought. I need to plant that. And this is a special black and blue salvia that I've been talking to a gardener in Louisiana about. I wanted to show it to Rachel from Gulf Coast Butterfly Gardening. I'll link her channel in the description. This black and blue salvia has lived for 2 years in this pot because it won't survive my Pennsylvania winters. This is a rugosa rose, Madame Blanc de Coubert. This is a perennial geranium, a true geranium. And this area up here in the front of my house is a xeriscape garden. It's very dry. This is another rugosa rose, a yellow form. And these are species iris, Siberian iris. And between this lilac and those roses at the front of my house, the fragrance here is just amazing. This clematis will be in full bloom in an upcoming video. It's supposed to get to 93 degrees today. It's Saturday, May 21st. All of this warm weather has Freya and I ready for some outdoor adventures, so make sure that you're subscribed. And until next episode, bye for now.